Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this Skinny Folio. So here are the final pieces included in this kit. This kit is a completely neutral kit. You can see like lots of ephemera that you can use it for your other journal folios or add them as ephemeras for your other junk journals. Let us start the assembling. First, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold along these lines. We have these three papers that make this entire folio. So we have this panel paper right here, so I'm just going to fold along the lines, and I've printed these on I'm guessing it's around 180 GSM papers. All of the panels and the envelope I have just printed on 180 GSM. So I'm just going to fold along all these lines that is shown. This is the pocket flap, so I'm just going to cut along the middle over here so that I can glue it together. You will see as we start assembling. I'm just cutting it along the half of the line over here. So now this is the panel. We have the panel A and panel B. The polka dot part is the panel B, and we have this envelope over here. This envelope I'm just going to glue over this part as a pocket and glue it like this, and so that this becomes the front of the folio. So first let's glue the panels together. We have the panel A and panel B. I'm going to glue along just the two sides to make a pocket. And moving on to this envelope over here, again applying glue to the two sides of this pocket part. Now we have this envelope over here and the panel B, the polka dot part. I'm going to again apply glue over this empty area over here and glue it like this as a pocket. So that is it. So we have like these pockets over here. And let's move on to the back side of the panel, that is the panel A. Here again I am going to glue this empty area as a pocket to the panel A. Before that, let's make these pocket flaps. So glue along these three lines. So it's not really a pocket flap because you will have to cut through the middle again on that butterfly part, but you have these pockets over here, so I guess it's just pockets. So anyways, so I am going to again glue this entire part. So I'm just showing you how it looks right now. We have pocket, 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 and to this striped part over here of the panel A, I'm going to add this like so, Again, applying glue to 3 sides and making it as a side pocket. I'm just using my circle punch to add like a pocket trim over here. Applying glue to the 3 sides and gluing it to panel A. And there you have it. Here is what we have it as a final folio. We have all these pockets over here, and it's done. The assembly is done. Let's just go add some of these ephemeras that I have here. I've included lots of long ephemera so that it fits this skinny folio. And for decorating, I have just included a few labels that you can just add it to this folio. Here you have it. This is the final reveal of the Skinny Folio from the Easy Folio series. Very easy again to make this folio. It's just a neutral folio, so I think you can just add this folio to any of your collection. I will include the link to the kit in the description below. You can check it out in the shop. You can also join my newsletter and follow me on Instagram. I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.